What is up everybody, welcome back on my brand new video on the channel guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the Sony Vegas Pro 16 on your PC for free. So let's get started guys. The first thing you guys are going to need to do is just click on the first link in the description and it will take you to this website called crowhazy.com. Here you can download the Vegas Pro 16 for free. Just scroll all the way down until you see this download button. But before you guys click on this download button, be sure to read the system requirements to see if your computer is capable of running the program. If yes, then click on download. Just wait 5 seconds until the download button appears, then just click on download now. Click on start download and just give it about a couple minutes until the download is complete guys. So I'm gonna be right back. Alrighty guys, once the download is completed, just click on open. Then click on extract to, and I'm going to choose desktop. And just give it about a couple seconds until the extraction is done. Alright guys, once the extraction is done, then go to desktop and you will get this folder. Just open it. Then go to Vegas Pro 16, scroll down, until you guys found Vegas 16, then right click on it, click Send to Desktop and create a shortcut. That's all guys need to do, just rename this. You can rename this Vegas Pro 16 and just run it as administrator. That's all guys need to do. The program is already patched, as you can see, licensed to Quadra, and just wait for the program to open. It might take a while to open on the first because it is the first time running on your PC, and just wait a couple seconds. And there you guys go, as you can see. So this is all guys for this tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you did, be sure to subscribe and like the video for more videos like this on the future, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.